I have a 12-year-old system, and I had an issue, and I had it repaired, but I was told I need to replace soon, and I was shocked at the new pricing.
Oh, yeah.
Literally shocked.
Understood.
And so I was wondering if all of the new air conditioners are being with the new Freons, and right now I have a two-stage unit, which I've been happy with, but truthfully, I can't afford to go to a two-stage unit from what I've seen so far.
It's a great question because the Freon adds another whole dimension of conversation, but go ahead, take it.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Ted, all new equipment now is being produced with either R32 or R54A, two different types of refrigerant. And so needless to say, depending on the type of unit, there's still some closeout stuff on package units that go on the roof because our 410A is still available through the end of the year. Now, that being said, refrigerant aside, because they're not necessarily identical, but they function the same way. The efficiency part of the unit, yes, your prices have gone up. You know, there's everything from COVID procurement issues, just all kinds of things, and so I know that that's had a significant impact. What I would tell you is the efficiency standards have changed as well and increased, and so single stage equipment is actually quite efficient these days. Depending on what neighborhood you live in, APS offers rebates on almost all of them. So most equipment that's available on the street is pretty, I don't want to say better than builder grade, but you're able to get good, efficient equipment at a pretty fair price. Now, the truth is, fair price is relative, right? We just talked about this earlier, that everything's increased. But, if you're looking at considering replacing, facing a repair, the main thing with repairing or replacing is, what are the costs going to be later? And we don't really have a crystal ball, but the trend has been the wrong direction. And so a lot of people are considering, replacing earlier if it makes sense. But in your situation, are you cooling? Is everything working pretty well, or has it just been
Yes,
a
it
concern?
is with the repair, but they said that the coils on the heater unit in the attic, because mine is a ground unit,
Okay.
split unit, and they said the coils up there, that's probably why I had a Freon leak, and it was 3 pounds of Freon leak.
Oh, boy. Yeah. So the reality is, obviously it needs either a significant repair. Coil repairs are generally pretty pricey. Replacement may be something worth considering.
I'll tell you what, Ted, Given Day and Night is here offering any Rosie on the House listener a free tune-up valued at $129. I'll bet you they'll get somebody out to your house and give you a free second opinion on replacing that air conditioner. So,
Absolutely.
all right. So at least get a second opinion from a trusted Rosie on the House certified air conditioning contractor. Day and Night Air Conditioner will kind of go from there.